All right, here's the terrible threesome, the traumatic triple threat. Whatever, I'm done with the tease for now.
Dad, don't feel bad.
Okay. If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? 'Cause I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to be. And if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same.
Daddy, Dad, look.
'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. And this bird you cannot tame. Oh, and this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I won't change.
Let's see what we get. Daddy, are you done now? Can we see it now?
Yeah, I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it.
What happened?
No, that didn't do anything yet.